Hey guys, it's DestinyLashae, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a foundation that I'm really excited about, so stay tuned and watch the whole video. To my subscribers, thank you guys. I love you. Thank you for supporting me. And to the newbies, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you do not miss a video. So in today's video, I'm collaborating with Dermablend Professional. This is one of my favorite complexion brands, hands down, and I'm going to be showing you guys one of their newest foundations. This is the Dermablend Flawless Creator Multi-Use Liquid Pigments foundation. This is actually 33% pigment. So this foundation is super full coverage. It's super lightweight. It lasts up to 16 hours plus, and it's not cakey. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I love foundations that are lightweight, that can be worn a long time, that don't feel cakey on the skin. And this foundation I've been trying out for over a month. I am in love with it, guys. So I'm also gonna be showing you guys how the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder works as well. So I'm gonna be using the Flawless Creator Foundation today, like I told you before. I'm using the color 75W today. Literally, guys, all I'm gonna do is apply this to my face. I'm not gonna color correct. This foundation does all the work. I'm just gonna take a little tiny bit of this foundation and I'm going to dot it on my face. I'm gonna put like 1, 2, 3 dots on my face, just to show you guys how full coverage this foundation really is, okay? I'm just gonna take a flat top brush and just start blending the foundation out. And look how much coverage I got from just 3 little dots of foundation. 3 little dots of foundation. And it looks like my skin, it doesn't look super cakey or anything. It just looks like skin. That's just 3 dots, not even a drop. I just took what was on the applicator and applied 3 dots to my face. Now I'm gonna go in and take the rest of the foundation and just apply some more to the other side of my face. I love this foundation because it's super lightweight, it's not cakey, it's oil free, and it just looks like skin, and I love that in a foundation. I can definitely see how this foundation won a Allure Best of Beauty award in 2018 because seriously, this foundation is really good. I feel like this foundation is more on the satiny matte end of the spectrum. If you are looking for a foundation that is more suited for like oily to normal skin, I would highly suggest this one. If you're more on the dry side, you could still wear it. I could see you still wearing it, but you would have to hydrate your skin first and then it'll probably look A1. But this foundation is definitely worth the buy. So definitely check it out. I'll have the link to everything down below in the description box. So I went ahead and added my lashes, my liner, and my concealer. I put it in the normal places that I usually would. I put it underneath my eyes and in the center of my face. So now I'm gonna go in and use the Dermablend Illuminating Banana Powder that I told you guys about earlier. All I'm gonna do is take my setting brush and I'm gonna pat that into the Illuminating Banana Powder, and I'm just gonna use that to set my concealer underneath my eyes. And this powder is not ashy at all. It does not give me any flashback, and I just use it to set everywhere that I highlighted on my face. This is one of Dermablend's newest products, and it's fragrance free, it's sensitive skin tested, it's allergy tested. And this powder is a luminous powder, so it gives you more of a luminous finish. And also I feel like this powder would really complement almost any skin tone because it's not too yellow, it's not ashy, and it just looks really good. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and let me know what video you want to see next from me. Also, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever tried Dermablend foundations because I'm really curious. I love Dermablend as a brand. If you haven't tried them, why not? Leave me a comment down below and I will see you, hopefully, in the next video.